Osteoarthritis, the most common form of arthritis, causes inflammation and pain in joints and tissue around the joints. Although it usually affects elderly, however, some forms of arthritis can affect people at a very early age. 1. Ginger tea. Arthritis pain and inflammation can greatly be reduced by the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. You can add a piece of ginger to your tea to get its benefits. Boil a piece of ginger in water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink twice a day. 2. Fenugreek seeds. Eating a few fenugreek seeds every morning will suppress inflammation and provide relief from joint pain. All you have to do is soak some fenugreek seeds in a bowl overnight and then eat them the next morning on an empty stomach. 3. Fish oil. The omega-3 fatty acids that are found in fish oil and fish liver oil drastically reduce inflammation. 1 tablespoon of fish oil per day is what the University of Maryland Medical Center recommends for the relief of arthritis pain. 4. Olive oil. When we think of oil, we often think of how it lubricates things, and that's exactly what it does to our joints. However, not all olive oils are created equally. Extra virgin olive oil contains high levels of oleocanthal, which help reduce inflammation. 5. Dandelion leaves. For fresh dandelion tea, step 3 teaspoons of fresh leaves, or 1 teaspoon dried in 1 cup of boiling water. Strain and drink twice daily. Dandelion tea is very bitter, you have been warned. You can add honey to sweeten it up if you'd like. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.